Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami pumpkin. So for this craft, you'll need a piece of paper. I'll be using orange for my pumpkin, and optionally, if you want to add a stem, either a pipe cleaner or extra paper. So let's get started. To make your origami pumpkin, start with your piece of paper, and we're going to make our piece of paper into a square. So take one of the top corners and fold it over to the other side and crease it down. And now you have a triangle with some extra. So now we're going to take this extra part off, and you can either use the fold and tear method or use scissors with your parents' permission and supervision. So I'm going to cut my extra off with some scissors. And move this aside. And now I have a triangle. When you open it up, it's a square. So now we're going to make a crease going in the other direction. So take the other corner and fold it over and crease it. And when you open it up, you have a square with an X. Now this next part can be a little tricky. We're going to take two sides and fold in and down. And press the triangle down. And now you have a triangle. Now we're going to take one of the flaps and fold it up and crease it, and do the same thing on the other side. Fold the flap up and crease it, and flip your paper over and do the same thing. Fold the flap up and crease it, and fold the flap up and crease it. So now you have a square. Now we're going to fold over the points. So fold your point inside to meet the middle, and take this flap on top and tuck it inside of your fold and crease it. And do the same thing on the other side. Fold the point into the center and take the flap and tuck it inside and crease it. And flip your paper over and do the same thing on the other side. Fold point over, take the flap and tuck it inside. And last one, take the corner and fold it over and tuck the flap inside. Now you have this shape. So you can see on the top that it's closed, and on the bottom it's open. So you're going to blow into this open part like a balloon. And here's my pumpkin shape. If it doesn't open up all the way, then you can use a pencil and poke it inside and pop it out more. And here's my pumpkin. If you want to optionally add a stem to your pumpkin, you can use a pipe cleaner or an extra piece of paper. I'll be using this pipe cleaner that I cut in half, and I'm going to wrap the pipe cleaner around my finger a couple times and take it off, and now it's curly. And you can go ahead and poke that inside your pumpkin. And here's my pumpkin with a stem. You can even decorate your pumpkin more by drawing on it, and you can even add a face. Here's my origami pumpkin. And here's my mini pumpkin patch. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.